FIPS publication 143. Cryptographic Assurance Reimagined. In every sector of the digital world, data travels farther and faster than ever before. Each message, transaction, and decision depends on invisible mathematics, the cryptography that keeps information safe. The Federal Information Processing Standard Publication 143, issued by the United States Department of Commerce, sets the national benchmark for validating cryptographic modules used in government systems and regulated industries. It ensures that data protection technologies meet the highest standards of confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity. At Fourth Industrial Systems, we bring this standard to life through policy as code and agentic artificial intelligence, turning compliance into intelligence and encryption into trust. Traditional compliance focuses on documentation and delayed certification. Our systems focus on real-time validation. When cryptographic keys, libraries, or algorithms are used, our intelligent agents verify that each operation follows approved configurations and security requirements. A governance agent checks whether the cryptographic implementation aligns with federal information processing standard publication 143 criteria. An integrity agent monitors for weak keys, expired certificates, or algorithm drift. A response agent isolates any non-conforming module, initiates rotation, and generates signed evidence for audit review. These actions occur instantly, not quarterly, not annually, but at the speed of computation. Policy as code transforms written mandates into executable logic. Each control from Federal Information Processing Standard Publication 143. From key generation and protection to physical security and module lifecycle, is encoded into machine-readable rules. If a cryptographic module deviates from policy, the system detects it, explains why, and takes corrective action automatically. No manual checklists, no delays, just verifiable, repeatable assurance built into the runtime environment. Our agentic artificial intelligence operates as a living governance network. Each agent plays a role: assist, retrieve, orchestrate, and govern, working together to monitor systems, document compliance, and manage risk continuously. Every event is time-stamped, signed, and stored in an immutable evidence ledger. When auditors arrive, the proof already exists. When leaders ask about compliance, they see it in real time. This is cryptographic assurance by design. Detect, decide, do, and document. At Fourth Industrial Systems, we believe trust should not depend on retrospective paperwork. It should emerge naturally from every secure computation and transaction. By combining the principles of Federal Information Processing Standard Publication 143, policy as code, and agentic artificial intelligence, We make cryptographic governance measurable, auditable, and adaptive. In our ecosystem, encryption keys renew themselves. Security modules validate continuously. And every cryptographic event produces proof of protection. That is how autonomy meets accountability. That is how we build the future of trustworthy computing. And that is why, at Fourth Industrial Systems, trust is engineered, not assumed.